In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your team in Asana on your PC. First, open Asana on your computer. You can use your web browser or the desktop app. Either one works the same for what we're doing today. Once Asana is open, sign into your account. If you work in multiple organizations, just make sure you're in the correct one before you continue, so the invites go to the right place. Next, head to the Home view. You'll find Home at the top left. Clicking Home gives you a clean starting point and makes it easier to find everything you need in the sidebar without distractions from any project you might have been viewing. Now look to the left sidebar and scroll until you see the section labeled Teams. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the edge to expand it so you can see all the options. Under Teams, find My Workspace. This is where you control who has access to collaborate with you. Hover your mouse over My Workspace and you'll see an option appear to invite teammates. Click on Invite Teammates. This opens a small window where you'll add the people you want to bring into Asana with you. Type their email addresses into the field provided. You can add one person or several at once, and you can paste a list if you already have it prepared. Using work emails is usually best so everyone stays connected under your organization. Before you send, double check that the addresses are correct. This helps avoid bounced invites and keeps your setup smooth. When you're ready, click Send. Asana will deliver the invitations right away, and your teammates will get an email with a link to join your workspace. They can accept and immediately start collaborating with you. At this point, your new team is ready in Asana. You've opened Asana, signed in, navigated to Home, found Teams in the sidebar, hovered over My Workspace, invited your teammates by email, and sent the invitations. From here, you can start assigning tasks, creating projects, and organizing work together. If anyone mentions they haven't received the invite, it can take a moment to arrive depending on their email provider, and sometimes it lands in a filtered folder, just something to keep in mind. That's it, simple and effective. You now know exactly how to invite your teammates and get your team ready to collaborate in Asana on your PC.